Everybody knows she's worth everything she's getting, isn't it, Sonam?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And one woman you say, look at her and you always say, you're worth it.
Like I said, every Indian woman out there is worth it, I think, because as Indian women, we do so much. We run the house, and now we've almost becoming most of them are becoming career women. So we juggle so many faces, so many facets. So I think it's brilliant.
Fantastic. You look absolutely lovely in this sari. First of all, so tell us a little about your outfit.
It's an Anamika Khanna. It's a modern version of an Indian sari.
Can I please get a look at your clutches?
Yes.
Perfect. It's you always go for wacky outfits. And why did you choose like an Indian outfit for tonight?
Well, it is kind of wacky. Do you see it's got chain on it? And you see it's got buttons on the blouse. It's all like strange. It's like a strange like sari which looks like a sari.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
When you have to think about one woman in Bollywood who you think is really powerful in her own way, you'd say?
Ekta Kapoor.
And why?
Well, because she's revolutionized television in a way, and she's one woman who is also taking the movie industry by storm as well with her films. So I think it's great that someone who's so powerful is a woman.
Two actresses whom you think should patch up now. Two women in Bollywood.
Who should patch up? I think all of them. We all compete with each other. We all have problems with each other. So I think we should all like become a big happy family.
Okay, fair enough. That's quite an honest answer. One woman you think really needs to change her style.
I think that would be me. I think I would be a little more conservative maybe, but I don't think that's going to happen very soon.
Okay.
A little more sensible with my style, not so crazy.
Okay, great. One actress you think is extremely underrated in Bollywood.
One actress who's completely, I think, is Rekha. I think she's never gotten her due.
You went up on stage and you represent the brand in itself. When you come to an event like this and you see all the powerful women there and they unite together for a cause like this, what do you have to say about that?
Well, I think it's incredible because women, I mean, I always feel like when you're together and we're doing something together, we always make a stronger team. So if women come together, we can rule the world.
Absolutely. How would you bring a revolution in Bollywood? In your own way.
How would I bring a revolution in Bollywood? By speaking my mind.
You think a lot of women don't do, isn't
I
it?
think a lot of people don't do. I'm not only talking about women. I think people need to learn how to be themselves, be individuals, and not really care.
That's great. That's it, Sonam Kapoor for you. And like she says, it's completely worth it. Thank you, Sonam.
Bye-bye.
Bye.